Yes guys, it's possible that clients will send you a message, lalo na kapag hindi ko pala pwedeng ipakita sa inyo, but sa other side ng mga platforms like Upwork and online jobs, dun sa side ng, yung sa view, sa interface na nakikita ng clients, they have this option to search, dun sa search bar, kung ano yung hinahanap nila. Halimbawa, virtual assistant or executive virtual assistant, or yung sa situation ni Dominique, personal assistant. Pagkatapos lalabas dun yung lahat ng profiles na may match dun sa keyword na ginamit nila. Pagkatapos, pwede sila mag-send ng invite for you to apply dun sa kanilang job post. Kasi ang tinatanong dito ni Dominique is, naka-receive daw siya ng message sa Upwork, nahanap daw yung profile niya and hindi daw ng personal assistant. Legit naman yung ibang ganon. Kaya lang guys ha, again, please do your due diligence. I-research ninyo yung company name, kung nandun na yung company name. Isa pa, basahin ninyo yung terms and conditions ng Upwork because nakalagay doon, very clear sila na wag nyong ilalabas yung communication. Halimbawa, sasabihin message me on Telegram or message me on Viber. Ang kagandahan kay Upwork, nagkaroon na sila ngayon ng option na magsiset ka ng meeting and the meeting will be via Zoom. Doon na rin, internally na rin, isa-send yung Zoom link. So parang nagkaroon tayo ng Calendly version and Zoom's version sa loob mismo ng Upwork and naka-integrate na siya. So there's no need for you to communicate with clients outside of the platform. Karamihan kasi ng mga tao na nai-scam, ang ginagawa sa kanila is i-redirect sila sa different messaging platform like Telegram, WhatsApp, ganyan. As much as possible, until ma-close ninyo, mapirmahan ninyo yung, hindi man mapirmahan, ma-accept ninyo yung offer, which is technically yun yung pagpirma, kumbaga, ng contract inside Upwork. Wala kayong communication with client outside of the platform. I would also highly recommend na ang kukunin nyo lang kung bago pa lang kayo is early contract because as per terms and conditions nga ni Upwork, kapag early yung contract niya, mawala at mawala man si client, babayaran kayo ni Upwork. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!